everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Agora I'm at the park. Imi fear how kalai yani at basic tukualo kalang. Mare rice na romang. Napo fuma sa serviço. Ohin antes nessa serviço já o Napo Nathan prepara kira. Nito uma langsung troca, kami langsung may park. Mare sunset na bani guys. Dia mai halai ida Nathan hare fali boy one serne pronto. Nyemos mesai boy antam prona pula jari halai park emal ladum barak tamba kalang una kala pisla barik serne barak ma feel hote na ohi media sne oh ne park ne mana kono permate oras sne ne feel hote na hela ida ruwa mai sore ne ba honey.
Hi guys. Today agora me por casa ela ia park. Okay, agora me vou para o podcast. Let's get started.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like bogles. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pen on. No, they don't know. Or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass. She dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy. And she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know. Cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just tryna party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time I met you in the summer.
Let's go.
Let's go, Nathan. This is estrada dit, honey. Jadi istirahat deh. Abang mana ya?
Wow.
Wow.
Ih.
Ini kan turun. So guys, kami agora bafali umana, tambah kalang mana. How can work out on Napo? Oh my goodness, nih hakas how permate. Really. Kami lau, husi strada boat. Kami lau korta dalang sini bada. How strada boat. Baby, oi Hansa.
Hai, boleh.
Boleh.
Bye.
Yes, bus.
Bye.
Bus,
Bus.
Bye.
bus,
Bus.
Bye.
bus,
Bye.
bus,
Three.
bus.
Bus.
Say bus,
Bye.
bus,
Bye.
bus,
Bye.
bus. The police,
Bye. Bye.
hello police.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bus. Bus. Nih ruang halai. Uluk tenane. Halai ka?
One week later.
Nanti muruk mo ba eh? Okay. Good boy. Yay! Okay. Good boy. Hey, Nene.
Mama look na please.
Thank you. Good
Good boy.
boy.
Yummy. Oh, pintar los. Hi. Good boy.
Hello kolega sira hotu. Sorry semana ida racing hafim ma vlogging fali tambah hafim ma diak. Perbentoru liwan ini, oh my goodness guys, how rascalos ini meeting stupado. Antes nih itang ho Napo moras suluk depois senerua diak moras dat film how. So hafim ma sinti diak los. And tambah ohin bang holiday how Napo la serviço. Então kami lah lima rituang. E fulan dan diak tambah iya natong encouragement ini. Kami ferish to loron hat. And semana dan ini ferish loron tolu. Sábado domingo segunda. So aban tambah fali serviço normal. Tinang kotuk pulang maio hasne guys ne manas tena. Kita sai ela precisa usar jacket, kita usa jumper mas tona, mas lá tem ainda né? Agak clear tuang. Mas semana roli ba? Manas kapas dia lá tem né? Oh, English weather always guys. La very fear weather né? Make sure kan kita sai ten salori sombrinya, usa jacket. Tama cada vez kita sai si uma, raini manas dia. Pois to dalang clarang, nya malirin depende des.
It goes on the station, but it doesn't go.
Kami tuh ya high street kaya ba terlos next parazing ne mabasi dadi so ken apo de yang untuk hene perlah lima rituang ini masih dari da parte ini sidari yang na so ke hansa shopping center ne oh ne ya leteng na ba. So ya guys, fating agora dak kami lam aine, fating turista niang, fating sa ema lebih mah samai visita Oxford ne, sira sempre mai hene. Ni la doku sidari ni kira sidari larang. So amila kortos ne, safu storing ne ba, bali sidari. Neta ore sa dukur na. Ni mo ohin am sai si uma Napo yang laude, tharian lali kera, lori kerinya. Tag ma lori mai depois minha toba, então paciência aten set kos nia. So how dia lori kerinya dit. Jadi tu rak matik matene close. maritak nih. Cute loss. Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you.
Good boy. Wow.
Bye.
Bye. Good boy. Dan, please. Rama mau kuliah apa, please? Ada rekernya? Please. Wow. Good boy. Come here.
Hey.
Gaya honey. Kora sa mami niyang kirang. Yung uma na. Mo ni kora nila ito? Nathan, hemo susubeng. Hemo to bubo na papa, please. Good boy. Trust me or not, guys, how dala rumah wala kalsa, how mai hela barik onzianos paleting ya fating. Mas laos dia how wala bebek si how biasa wala kalsa, how uje husu top mam pas pa how. Terus how? Age 12.
Yeah.
Hey, mana be? Ay, la barik nene. Nang feel la bele please. Emma harus ito wang. Please, thank you. La bele. Good boy. Mana feel mana? 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 Nathan, no please. Thank you. Let's go. Eh, na thal seda mana? Nathan, no please. Rifle Fatin, please. Mana? Thank you, Papa. Good boy. So, agora kami iya next. Kami may buka sang atau kalau ba kolega. Jarang nos may iya next. Natong how siruan emang how sempre may hene. Wala na itang sang hene. Atau may bebek hene. Jarang nos. Wait, please. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, press. Yes, well done. So, agora may bahang lai. Ate na bahang yan, be. Filho, halo mama tahu grit newang. As ne filho, muntung curado. Curado mono filho, please. Good boy. Yes, sabi sa tambal filho, please.
Hingi la food. Jadi Yang buatnya kono lakano bolona, kau ambil buku biasa. Nyatanya ready tena. Mereka tuh guys, nyatanya ready na.
So ke semana sela.
Semana sela.
Chips barak nih. Wow, yummy. So guys, hang mana? Nia, iya box sana. Ini hau niang nene ho.
Kau tiga fuar?
Beef. Gostulos. Napo yang mana? Hatinya napo yang seda. Napo yang boek.
Waduh be, mata kalau. Yummy. Oh lard. Betul betul. Betul betul.
Aku lihat nih, abang lihat nih.
Lah ya, aku lard. Saya juga normal.
Gostulos guys. Aneh.
Nah, teh manas barak spesies. Manas.
Yummy? So nitang chips deh, tambah ohin napo bukan nuggets, senang manu rumah ban nitang laiha. So napo bola chips deh. Terus dia rumah man ni hari Sabtu ni hang itu pues manya toba.
Nathan, tidak nahan chips. Ush, rambut nih. Aneh busuk lah.
Busuk.
Apa busuk? Mereka makan gym lah.
Oh my gosh guys. Napo mas bola van large. Want terus bola ini small size.
Perhambus kan tuh.
Bau malah na.
Hello, kolega sira. Sorry, ohin tuh umah kalau sempat vlogging. So yang tuh umah ini tuh hat nih, terus tuh hat liu. 10 minutos sana, hau Napo Nathan untuk toba. Depois Napo hadir itu kulima nyoba gym. Amura Nathan foi hadir iha tuku hitu liu 15 minutos liu sana. Oh my gosh, ami toba oras tolo racing. Oh ini hau lo koi toba, so que Nathan kan toba tuku hat kala si hau lo toba. Oh my goodness guys, ini image ya tok. Ini toba sana ini hadir tuku hitu sini kalang toba tukira. Depois aba hau service utang. So, how aproveita niya toba, hamos toba tip, or sila karang niya toba tari, labo tida. Yeah. Nathan! Hey! Hi! So, agora how to fomos Nathan. Tapos fuhang niya. At faris niya, mas oras lite na kaya, at gusto ko alu-kala na so almost Nathan! Yun to lang. Housing tip vlog buhay loron yan to yan ede. And that's sur malu fali iya video to your mind. Bye guys.